Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to set up recurring payments on SoFi. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the SoFi application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to SoFi if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see in the bottom screen, we have the tabs where we have the Discover tab, the Watchlist tab, we have the Account, Invest, we have the Orders, and in the bottom right corner, we have the Social tab. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and set up recurring payments on SoFi. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go and of course log into your account, connect your account of course by going to the account, and here you can manage your bank account and connect it to the application. Then go to the banking section and select the pay bills. So go to the banking section, and here when you connect your card, you have the pay bills. Enter the name of the company or individual you want to pay. If the company appears in the search, you can set up an electronic payment. If not, you can manually enter the details for a physical check. Enter the amount you want to pay, the date you want the payment to be sent, and select the frequency. Review the payment details to ensure everything is correct, then confirm the payment. Your recurring payment is now set up. You can manage and review your scheduled transactions from the scheduled transaction sections on your banking homepage. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Bye guys.